Before the airport could exist, the mountains themselves had to be measured.
Every mountain section was marked for removal with surgical precision. The first wounds in the mountain were carved meter by meter.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Thousands of charges were planted to break apart solid stone.
Millions of tons of rock had to be moved before construction began.
Temporary mountain roads became lifelines for the operation.
Even the mountain's interiors had to be opened for access.
The remaining cliffs had to be restrained before the next cuts. Slowly, the mountains began turning into buildable ground.
The mountain weather fought every stage of construction.
All right, men, keep it moving. Watch the edge near the runoff. We need this section set before sundown.
Move the rig to Terrace 4.
Copy that, watching the dust cloud on the upper level.
Every delivery had to survive the dangerous mountain journey.
The mountain site consumed materials at an extraordinary scale. Even temporary roads became engineering challenges of their own.
Concrete production had to remain constant for the project to survive.
Timing was critical before the concrete hardened in transit. The future runway began as a river of reinforced concrete.
The site needed machines large enough to reshape a mountain. Thousands of structural components arrived from factories across China.
Almost connected. Solid contact. Power's flowing smoothly now.
Construction never paused, even in complete darkness.
The hidden tunnel network became the arteries of the project.
The impossible mountain airport was beginning to take shape.
Keep the tension on line 4. Copy that, increasing tension now.
All right, easy on the lowering sequence.
An entire mountain range had become one of China's most ambitious engineering sites. Every runway measurement had to remain exact despite the unstable terrain.
Without these walls, the artificial mountain platform could collapse.
The terminal would rise from foundations buried deep inside the mountain.
The airport skeleton climbed higher above the carved plateau.
Bring it up slowly, watch the clearance on Sector 4. Copy that, moving now. Lower, lower, hold it right there. We're losing it to the wind. Adjusting for the gust.
Piece by piece, the mountain airport began to resemble a real terminal.
Inside the terminal, another layer of complexity emerged. Thousands of hidden systems were required before the airport could function.
For the first time, the runway began to look alive.
The runway surface had to endure enormous aircraft weight.
What was once solid mountain had become the foundation of an airport.
Before precision construction could continue, the surface had to be purified.
Even waste materials became part of the organized system. Stability was essential before any permanent structure could be added.
Every material had to meet strict engineering standards.
Only the strongest materials were allowed into final construction. Structural safety depended on flawless reinforcement. Even millimeters of error were unacceptable at this scale.
Precision measurement ensured safe aircraft operations.
This fog is getting thick. Make sure the calibration is precise. Already double-checked the laser alignment. We're clear.
Bring it down slow on the west side. Watch the mesh, keep it steady.
Every structure needed roots anchored into solid stone.
Beneath the airport, an entire world of engineering was taking shape.
Every layer was compressed to withstand unimaginable pressure.
The terminal grew upward like a structure carved from the sky.
Bring it down another foot, easy now. Clear on this side, set it down.
The runway had to survive freezing winds and burning heat alike.
The transcription for the video is as follows. Without drainage efficiency, the entire airport would fail in minutes.
Before real aircraft arrived, the runway had to prove itself.
Every part of the airport was under constant surveillance. The airport had to withstand nature at its harshest. With structure complete, transformation entered its final core phase.
The deviation is negligible, well within tolerance.
Confirmed. The alignment is perfect.
That section is good to go. Move the barriers.
Every aircraft position was engineered before a single plane arrived. Energy systems were hidden beneath the mountain surface. Safety systems had to respond instantly to any threat.
Even in fog and storms, pilots needed a guaranteed path.
The airport was finally beginning to look like a place for people.
Every passenger journey was mapped before operations began.
Movement of goods became fully automated and seamless.
Every system was now connected into one living network.
The airport was no longer just built, it was now intelligently operated.
Machines now handled the movement of everything on the ground.
Every bag was tracked, sorted, and delivered without human delay. Weather forecasting became critical in the mountain environment.
Even inspection work became fully automated.
The airport could now guide aircraft with adaptive intelligence. Maintenance became continuous and self-regulating. Even energy flow was governed by intelligent systems. Human movement was optimized before real passengers arrived. Clipper 29er, cleared through the Alpha Pass at flight level 300. Report clear of the valley fog. The airport's digital backbone was fully protected. At this moment, the impossible airport became fully intelligent.
Readings on Sector 4 are stabilizing. Confirmed. Uploading to Central Control now. Move those chairs 3 feet to the left. We need to clear this section for the buffer. The load compensation is flawless, ready for the final sequence. Perfect deceleration. The system is fully operational.
The airport's face was finally revealed to the world.
Clear guidance systems ensured safe navigation across the vast plateau.
Every aircraft position was defined with absolute precision.
Aligning the Papai angle now. What's the reading on the laser, Sarah?
It's locked in at 3.0 degrees. Looks good from here. Excellent visibility. We are fully operational for the evening.
We need immediate clearance on the west runway.
The wind shift is affecting the dispersal pattern. Get everyone to assembly point 3.
Every detail had to meet absolute final approval.
Even braking performance was scientifically verified. The entire airport was now fully validated for operation. Before opening, every system had to pass strict aviation certification. As you can see, the reinforcement layers are reacting exactly as predicted under the maximum load. The anchoring system is secure. Only materials that endured extreme stress were approved. Wind shear is exceeding projections by 20%.
Check the anchor stress on Sector 4. It's spiking.
Even invisible signals had to be perfectly aligned.
Safety systems had to respond instantly, without hesitation. The runway was proven capable of supporting real aircraft weight.
Electrical stability ensured uninterrupted airport operations. Human movement pathways were optimized for safety and efficiency. Even the smallest hazard had to be eliminated instantly. Every system was now ready for official approval.
The impossible airport had passed every test.
After years of carving through mountains, the airport was finally ready to open.
The final teams gathered to witness the beginning of operations.
The airport's first real function was about to begin.
Every system confirmed readiness for live operation. The runway was officially alive. The airport had begun its real purpose. Every movement mirrored real aviation operations.
The airport now existed in real-time aviation space.
Safety teams stood ready for any situation.
The mountain had become a beacon of aviation.
The airport was ready to receive the sky.
Every landing parameter was successfully validated.
The Impossible Cliff Airport was officially operational.
What once was 400 mountains is now one of the world's most impossible airports.
Crane, set the load down gently on the green truck.
Latch secured, boss. We are good to go.
An impossible idea had become a real place.
Now, the mountains had learned to serve the sky. And this is how an impossible airport became real. Subscribe for more real engineering breakdowns.